college calculus. Today I'm gonna show you this. It's very simple class. I'm going to solve a couple of problems, but first of all we have the definition of what I mean combination of function. Given two functions f and g, the composition or composite function f, the composition of g, this also called the composition of f and g. This is the way to call when you see a problem like this. Okay, when this a little symbol, this is a little symbol here. I'm gonna write a little bit different right here. Okay, with different colors to understand you better. So when you see this f composition of g, it is also called the composition of f and g. Is composition of f and g. Okay, is defined by f composition and g of x, and then it's going to be equals f of g of x. Okay, this is the way to understand this topic for today. Okay, we have a couple of problems here to solve it, so let's go and then write the first one. Okay, example. So we have one problem here. If f of x is equals x squared and g of x equals x minus 3. Okay, find the composite. Here, find the composite functions like f composition f and g, composition of f and g, and composition g and f. Okay, this is our first problem. Solution. Okay, solution. Okay, solution. We have here. Let's write. We have. All right. By the problem here, we have like this f composition of g, okay, of x. All right, this is equals f g of x equals f of x minus 3, right? Equals x minus 3 to the second power. All right, you have a problem there. So then composition g and f, so here of x is equals g, look at this, g, then f of x, right, is going to equals g of x to the second power equals x to the second power minus 3. All right, so here I would like to write some notes here in general. So in general, this is very important. F composition of f and g is different to composition of g and f. Okay, all right. Let me write the sign right here, little or small all right there. Okay. Then the notation f or composition f of g right here means that the function we are talking about this function g is applied first and then f is applied second. All right. Okay. This is one example. Let's go and find or try to solve and one more example. Okay. Applying combination of function. Okay. All right. Let's go and then write another problem. Example number 2. Let's write another problem here. Okay. We have find a composition f and g and h okay, and h of x. All right, it's a little bit different. This is equals x divided by x plus 1. Okay, and then g of x is going to be x to the 10 power. All right, and h of x is equals x plus 3. All right, that's our problem. The solution. So now solution is very simple. Very simple. Just write here composition of f and g and h okay, of x, all right, is equals f g of h. Yeah, it's because we have 2 here. It's g h of x, all right, equals f, look at this, g of x plus 3. All right, this is going to be equals f x plus 3 to the 10 power. All right, equals, this is going to be the answer here. Very easy. So this is going to be x plus 3 to the 10 power over in the value x plus 3 to the 10 power plus 1. All right, this is the solution of this composition function, the second example. All right, so so far this is 2 examples like show you what I mean combination of function in college calculus. Next class, I'm going to do more practice about this topic. Okay, thank you so much. See